Hi AIMExpo exhibitors, it's Bonnie Feiner and I'm going to show you today how to manage your online exhibitor profile through our exhibitor portal. Once you sign up for a booth, you're going to receive a confirmation email, and within that email you're going to find a link and your password to access the exhibitor portal. I'm going to go ahead and paste my password in here and click login. And this is going to allow me access to my portal. Now first we're going to take a look at booth information. Here you're going to find that all your company information is pre-populated, but please feel free to make any necessary updates or changes here. And continue scrolling down. You can add a company logo, a welcome message, as well as any brands. Scrolling further, you can add a company description, and you can check any categories or market segments that you serve here. And don't forget to add those social media handles here. Now once you are satisfied with this information, click Save. And then continue scrolling down. And next we'll take a look at new products. Now here you can add any product information of the products that you'll be displaying at the show, such as the product name, a brief product description here, product images. They can be the same or different. One will be small, one will be large on the product profile. Scrolling down, you can add product detail here. And once you're satisfied with that information, go ahead and click Add. You're allowed to add up to 5 products on your profile. Now if I want to access the products that I've already added to make any edits or deletions, you scroll up here, and I've added an example up here of a product, and you'll see I can edit it, preview, or delete it. Any of the products that you add will be listed up here. Now scrolling down, after I've added all my products, we'll go take a look at show specials. And this is an area where you can add simply that, any show specials that you'll be offering at the event. Now here you would add a show special title and then a description of the show special that you'll be offering. And once you're satisfied, click Add New Show Special. Now again, up here is where my show specials will be listed, and I have the ability to edit or delete any of them. Now I'm going to continue scrolling down, and we're going to take a look at press releases. Now here I can add the title of the press release. I can add any copy from the press release. We don't have the ability to upload the press release. You would have to paste this information in. Once I'm satisfied with my press releases, I would just click Add Press Releases, and again, to access any of those, to make edits or deletions, I'm going to see them listed up here. I can edit or delete them. I'm going to scroll back down to get back to the portal. I'm going to see that we also have an option to upload videos to our profile. Now here, you're just going to click Browse, and browse your computer for the video that you would like to upload. Now the max file size is 75 megs and the allowed file types are listed here. You would just then click Next and add a video description and save it. Now in the portal you can also access your account to pay your invoice or print any receipts. You can access our sponsorship and branding opportunities. You can also book exhibitor housing, as well as register your staff and access our exhibitor services guide, as well as free exhibitor marketing tools. Now I'm going to take you over to a profile and show you what this is going to look like after you've populated everything on your profile. Now I'm on our exhibitor list, and my profile is concessions. So when an attendee is browsing through the exhibitor list and they find me interesting and they click on my booth or my company name, this is my profile. Now had I added a logo, you would see that right here, as well as any of my product categories or market segments that I serve. But you'll notice all of my examples are here: show specials, press releases, and products. And that is basically it. I hope that you have learned something from the tutorial. If you have any questions, do feel free to contact me directly at 949-517-7503. I am happy to assist. We look forward to seeing you in Vegas. Thanks so much.